Good morning. As you prepare for the last stages of Chromebook collection, it's important that you upload your spreadsheet to Classroom so admin and technology have a record of what was turned in and what wasn't, so obligations can be prepared and we can best prepare for next school year. Now, hopefully you've created a spreadsheet that has your homeroom number in it, the serial numbers of your students' Chromebooks, and if they had a charger and any condition remarks. After preparing the spreadsheet, you go to Classroom, you're going to come to the DBHS faculty class page. Make sure that your Chromebooks are properly labeled per the instructions. You are going to open up the Chromebook collection assignment. And where it says add, you are going to add from a Google Drive. And I'm going to be adding my Chromebook collection. Click on my document, add. You will see that the file has been uploaded. You will then turn the file in. And this way, admin and technology will have record to it. If you do need to edit the document, you will need to unsubmit the document to edit the document. So I would not advise doing this until you feel you are complete with the process. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call, 2236, or shoot me an email. Thanks and have a great day.